Hey, Coach Greg here with Svelte Training. Today we'll be doing a boxing burner workout. It's gonna be great, it's gonna be fun. I just went through it myself, so I'm already sweating, I'm feeling good, and I know you're gonna love it too. So feel free to grab some water, grab a flat surface well, you don't have to grab the surface, but find a flat surface to move around in, and let's get started. All right, we're gonna be doing a couple rounds. First round is gonna be me more explaining and demonstrating the exercises while you follow along, while the second set will be more of a complete run through of all the exercise back to back. So let's jump right into our first exercise, which is boxer bounces. We'll put 30 seconds on, and here we go. The goal is just to move our body around. Just like this, you can fill your arms. Boxers usually like to jump from one leg to the other, but if that's something you can't do, you could just raise up on your heels like that. You don't have to leave the ground. You want to conserve as much energy as possible while still loosening up your limbs, getting energy flowing to all the parts of your body, just like this. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right, next we're going into the jab, jab, cross. You're gonna wanna stand in a boxing fighting stance. You want one leg forward, one leg at 45-degree angle like so. You want your weight to be evenly, you want to be balanced right here so you can go down. You don't want all your weight on one leg or all your weight on the other. You just want to be somewhere in the middle, strong, stable base. Arms up, elbows tucked in. You want to protect your sides. Hands to protect your face. And all we're doing is a jab is always going to be our front leg's arm, if that makes sense. So whatever leg is forward, that arm that's attached to it, that is always going to be your jab. While your power is usually going to generate from your back leg, your back arm, which is your cross. So all we're doing is 3 punches. It's a nice little combo. It's just jab, jab, then cross. And as we throw this punch, we want to twist this hip over and pivot on our heel like so. And it's pretty fun, pretty simple. Again, don't get bogged down in the technique. We want to have fun with this. We want to burn fat, we want to sweat. It's going to feel good. So all we're doing is jab, jab, and cross. Let's put 30 seconds on, and let's go. Here you go, jab, jab, cross. Jab, jab, cross. Boom, boom. I like to step a little bit with this front leg when I throw those jabs. Helps me find distance. Bam, boom. And again, it's not really about power. With these jabs, the power comes from this back one. There you go. Bam. Boom, boom, bam. Couple more seconds. Throw those arms. Bam, bam, bam. Good stuff. All right, next we have some bob and weaves. When you're in your fighting stance, imagine there is a straight line that's running from the ceiling all the way to the ground that's splitting my nose, my eyes, all the way down my body. So when you're fighting, usually people are gonna try to punch you in the face, your body, whatever, but it's usually going to be on this line. So imagine there's a line that splits me. Someone's gonna be throwing that punch to hit you, either on your nose or right here. So all we're doing with bob and weaving is we are just trying to get off that center line. So if I'm here and someone's throwing a punch, I can either go to this side to get off that line because the punch will land here, or I can go to this side, or I can back up like this and then their punch will also miss me. I can go down. Sometimes you can go forward to get under punches. But the goal is just, again, if there's a line in front of you, imagine there's a line in front of you. We are just trying to get our head off that center line so that we don't get hit, and then we can counter with our own strikes. So here we go. All we're doing is moving around. This is great for your torso. You want to really focus on torquing, not twerking. You can do that in your own time, okay? Here we go, 30 seconds. Here you go, so hands up, boxer stance, and just move the head over, just like that. Move back, you can move down, you can move forward. You always want to keep your eyes on your target because you don't want to ever turn away because then you don't know where they are. They can reposition themselves to hit you from a different angle. So there you go, hands up, just like that. Again, you don't want to be too stiff with your legs. You just want to be able to bounce with it and pivot around. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right, and last we have some uppercuts. We're gonna do 2 different variations, whatever you're comfortable with. We can throw an actual uppercut. Again, that first leg forward. You can throw both arms. So all you're doing with an uppercut is kind of twisting, like we just did with the bob and weave, to one side. And we're loading up that arm. You really want it to be almost like a 90-degree angle. And we're starting, some people say like start from your hip here. And all we're doing is trying to get up to our chin. Whatever you feel like makes it easier for you, but if your arms are here, we're just bringing it down. We're just throwing it straight up. So we're trying to hit under their chin. So we're here. We're generating power when we move, we twist over like this, and bam, we go straight up. Same thing with that opposite arm. We're here, and we're just bringing it straight up. So we can do a couple of those, but that's too technical and too like, you know, whatever. All we can also do is just stand right here, bend our knees a little bit. We're just gonna roll those shoulders and arms. Again, keeping those 90-degree angles, just like that. This is also a great burner as well, because it loosens up your shoulders, your arms, everything, and also gets you conditioning for throwing uppercuts. So here we go, 30 seconds, and here we go. So let's just start with throwing uppercuts. Again, you don't have to make everything like bam, like powerful. The goal, we just want to just get up there, move over. Here you go, throw them on this side. Here you go, bam, bam. Now let's just do shoulder rolls, uppercuts, just like that. Let's finish strong. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right, that was our first round done. We're gonna get ready for our second round. We're putting everything back to back, so please take note of the time of this video right now so you can come back to this moment if you wanna do some more rounds afterward. Without further ado, we're gonna get right into our boxer bounces. Gather yourself, we're gonna have some fun. 30 seconds, and here we go. We're bouncing with it. Move your arms around if you need to, just like that. And if you want, you can keep your arms up the whole time. You know, as if you're sizing up your opponent, like, you're gonna hit me, huh? You're gonna try to hit me? Get ready. These jab, jab crosses are coming. They don't know that, but we know that. There it is. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. We're going right into jab, jab, cross, and here we go. Jab, jab, cross. Move. There it is. Turn that hip over. There you go. Couple more. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. One more. Jab, jab, cross. Great job. We're going right into bob and weaves. 30 seconds. Stand tall. Stay in your position. Arms up. To move out of that center line. There it is. Move back. All right, we're here. We're here. There it is. Down. Yep, you're doing great. There it is. Always keep your eye on where your opponent is. 3 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. We are going into uppercuts. We are going to just be windmilling them, just like so. We're gonna be generating power from our hips. We're gonna be rolling our shoulders. It's gonna be awesome. Here we go, 30 seconds. And let's do it. Just like that. Wanna generate power from your hips. We're just gonna bring those arms up, remember? Think 90-degree angles. Just like so. I mean, if you wanna throw power shots, you can. Like that. Twist those hips over. Bam, bam, bam. We're here, bam. And we're here, bam, bam, bam. But I want you to stay right here. This is pretty good too. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. But we ain't done yet. Let's do one more. Come on. You are already sweaty. I'm already sweaty. We're already here. Let's just try one more round. It's gonna go so quickly. I'm not even gonna give you time to take a break. Actually, take some water real quick if you want. Got 5 seconds. Going right back into boxer bounces. Let me make sure my mic is on. Yes, it is. 30 seconds, and let's go. This is a great active recovery. Right here, we're just bouncing with it. Like I said, we're just having fun. Move those arms around. By now, you should feel very loose. I have like an energy boost right now too. I'm sweating, I'm having a good time. I'm also working out, so it's amazing. I'm burning fat. This is great. A couple more seconds. Let's get ready. We're going right into jab, jab, cross. Here we go. Got 3, 2, and 1. Jab, jab, cross. Bam, bam, bam. Jab, jab, cross. Really just want to be testing. These don't need to be power shots. We're just testing the distance. And then bam, hitting them with our cross. Bam, bam, bam. Turning that hip over. There it is. Test, bam. Oh, there they are, boom. Doing great. Come on, a couple more. Bam, boom. Always bring that opposite arm right back to protect your face. There it is, one more. Bam, bam, boom. We're going right into bob and weaves. Catch your breath. Here we go, arms up. Protect your face. Come on, move it off that center line. Just like that. You can go side to side. Make sure you're tightening your core. You can move back. You can duck down if you want. Whatever you want to do. Come on. This is the last round. Let's finish strong. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. 3, 2, and 1. Last but not least, we have uppercuts. Like I said, if you want to throw some power shots, bam, bam, do that. Or if you want to stay here, roll those shoulders, do that as well. I'm going to do both. Here we go, 30 seconds. Finishing strong. Let's just throw those uppercuts. Bam. Just like that. Let's just roll those shoulders. There it is. Finish strong. Tighten that core. You feel it. Your back. Throw these uppercuts. Come on, make sure you're breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. That's for you. That's for you as well. That's it. That was your boxer burner workout. I am so tired, but if you feel good, if you feel ready to go, keep rewatching them, keep going. See how far, how many rounds you can take. I'm pretty sure you can probably do like 10, 15. I know there are some amazing people out there who are watching this video, so I would love to know how many rounds you did, how many you want to do. If you want more videos like this, whatever it is, make sure you comment, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. Without further ado, I'm Coach Greg. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.